Hello students, this is Vitthal Anwat and today we are going to learn about the soil profile. It's our second chapter of soil geography. The chapter name is Soil Formation and Development of Soil Profile. Soil profile. Firstly, we discuss about the definition of soil profile. The vertical section of the soil showing the various layers from the surface to unaffected parent material is known as the soil profile. Means the vertical section of the soil which show the various layers from the surface to unaffected parent material is known as a soil profile. Means such a type of the vertical uh, section of the soil, and there are like various types of the what the layers, the first layer, second layer, say third layer, such type of the layers we can consider as this soil profiles. The various layers are known as the horizons. The soil profile contains the three main horizons. They are named as A, B and C. There are the three important layers A, B and C. The surface soil or that layer of the soil at the top which is liable to leaching and from which some soil continents have been the removed known as the horizon or A or the horizon of elevation. The intermediate layer in which the materials leach from horizons A have been redeposited known as a horizon B or the horizon of elevation. The parent material from which the soil is formed is known as C. Okay. Then, firstly, we are going to discuss upon the first layer of our soil profile. It's a O horizon. It's called as a organic horizon. It is formed in the upper part of the mineral soil, dominated by fresh or partly decomposed organic materials. This horizon is contain more than 30% organic matter, means this is the topmost layer of the soil profile, and its mineral fraction has more than 50% clay or more than 20% organic matter. Its mineral fraction has less clay. Means this O horizon is predominantly observe the 30% organic matter, 50% clay and 20% matter of mineral fraction of the clay. The organic horizons are commonly seen in the forest areas and generally absent in grassland and cultivated soil. This type of the composition of horizons is observed into the organic uh, material where is evidently found into the forest, okay, but is less observed into the grassland and cultivated soil. This O layer is divided into the subparts O1. In O1, organic horizon, in which is the original form of the plant and animal residues, can be recognized through the neck eyes. Our neck eyes, we can find out these materials of the organic material which is evidently available into the O1. Then O2, organic horizon, which is the original plant or the animal matter, cannot be recognized through your eyes. This is material, organic material we can't see directly our neck eyes. There is a requirement of the microscopic view for the observation of such organic matters. Then the another after the O layers, means O is divided into the O1 and O2. After O2, the another one layer has been start of the soil. Its name is a horizon. This A horizon also divided into the subparts A1, A2, A3. The A horizon is of the organic matter accumulation adjacent to the surface and that has lost clay, iron and aluminium. Means there is accumulation of the organic matter due to the leaching percolation of water. The A1 topmost mineral horizon form adjacent to the surface. There will be accumulation of humified organic matter associated with the mineral fraction and the darker in color than that of the lower horizon due to the organic matter. Due to the percolation of water, the accumulation of the organic matter has been found into the A1 layer and it's look like as a brownish color. Then A2 layer. In this A2 layer, horizon of the maximum evolution of the clay, iron and aluminium oxide and organic matter. Loss of these constituents the generally result of the accumulation of quartz and other sand and silt size resident minerals. They are rich due to the percolation of water. They are rich up to the A2 layer. Generally lighter in the color than the horizons above the below. This color has been start to get light. Then last is the A3 layer of the horizon. A transitional layer between the A and B horizon with the more dominated properties of A and 2. This layer is found. There is no the such type of the qualities of the A and A2 is considered as a third layer. Then the B horizon, after the A3, the B horizon has been started, which is a dominant feature or accumulation of clay, iron, aluminium or the humus along or the combination. In coating of means here what's happened, the clay, iron and aluminium or the humus are the alone or the combinations. Means here you can find out there is a reduce of the humus in this layer. And what's due to that there is a stronger and red color than means the humus is look like as a brown, but here it's not much darker, but it's get faint in color. So these are also divided into the three parts. First B1, this is a transitional layer between A and B, more like A than B. Then B layer, zone of maximum accumulation of clay, iron and aluminium oxide that may have moved down the upper horizon or may have formed in situ. In situ means this is the original characteristics of the rock. The organic matter content is generally higher and color darker than A2 horizon above. B3, transitional horizon between B and C with the properties more similar that of the overlying B2 than underlying C. Then the C horizon means in the B horizon is divided into the three parts and last horizon is C horizon. It is the horizon below the column A and B. This horizon is relatively less affected by soil forming processes. Why? Because of the all exogenetic factors are absent in this layer. So it is outside of zone of major biological activity. It may be contain accumulation of carbonate of sulfate, calcium and magnesium. Means in this layer you can evidently find the accumulation. Why this accumulation? Due to the percolation of water which is come from the O layer to this layer. Means the sea horizon is likely as the parent material types of the layer, and this sulfate, calcium and magnesium are evidently observed. Then the R. Underlying the sea horizons, the bedrock or the parent material has been start and it's considered as a R layer. Okay, means O, A, B and C. These are the soil profile layers have been we learned. Thank you.